No AC core. Condenser runs. It's freezing up. But the blower motor does not. Pushing the furnace door switch. You hear it running. But it's all frozen up. No blower. Already verified power. Got 24 volts to fan, but nothing. Check the capacitor and see what's going on. Alright guys, we got a 7.5 microfarad capacitor. See what it's reading. It's reading 7.38. So we should still be able to turn the blower motor on. Let's see if it's the board not sending power or what's going on. Okay, so I bypassed everything. Have the fan hooked up to the door switch, so when you push this in, we should get fan. So we got a defective control board. Defective control board. All right. Guys, so we got the new control board in. We already tested it. It's operating properly. Let's see.
Oh no, just that you can send it right away.
Fridge flowing through. Blower motor coming on. Yep. We got blower motor now. We got a new control board. If I can figure out where the condenser is, I'll check pressures, but I'm not sure where it is. Located in a condo apartment type of building. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we're all done with that call. Found a bad control board, replaced the control board. System's back up and running, cooling properly. And we're on to the next one.